Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your level in real cricket. To truly advance your player level, the primary and most consistent method is simply to play matches. Each game you complete, whether it's a quick match or a tournament fixture, awards you valuable experience points. These points are crucial for progressing through the levels. The more you play, the more experience you accumulate, leading to a higher overall player level in the game. Understanding how experience points are awarded is key to efficient leveling. While simply playing grants points, winning matches often provides a substantial bonus. Furthermore, your individual performance within a game, such as hitting a century or taking 5 wickets, significantly increases the experience you receive. Don't forget to check for daily objectives and challenges. Completing these can offer hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of bonus experience points. To truly maximize your leveling speed, diversify your gameplay. Don't stick to just one mode. Explore tournaments, leagues, and special events. These often have unique objectives that yield extra experience. Always make it a point to complete your daily and weekly challenges. They are designed to give you a significant boost. If available, utilizing experience boosters can temporarily double or even triple your experience gain for a set period, making your progress much faster. The only way to truly increase your level consistently is through dedicated, regular play. Short, daily sessions are often more beneficial than infrequent, marathon gaming sessions for steady experience accumulation. As you climb the levels, you'll unlock exciting new features, gain access to more challenging game modes, and earn exclusive rewards. Reaching higher levels isn't just about numbers. It signifies your skill and commitment to the real cricket experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.